Hello friends, welcome to Notes Hunting. In this video, we are going to see the topic food resources from the subject environmental science and engineering. For human survival, food is an essential requirement. Each person has a minimal food requirement. Carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, proteins and minerals are the main components of food. For food supply, humans have depended on three systems such as croplands, rangelands and oceans. The first one is croplands. They mainly produces grains such as rice, wheat, barley, maize, potato, sugarcane and so on. They provide about 76% of the world's food supply. The second one is rangelands. They produce food mainly from the grazing livestock such as milk, meat and fruits. They provide about 17% of the world's food. The third one is from the oceans. Oceanic fisheries supply about 7% of the world's food. They are fish, prawn, crabs and so on. More than thousands of edible plants and animals are provided in the earth, but only 15 plants and 8 terrestrial animal species supply 90% of our global intake of calories. Rice, wheat, maize, potato, barley, pulses, vegetables, fruits, sugarcane, milk, meat, and seafoods are the major food sources. From these, rice, wheat, and maize are the major grains that provide more than 50% of calories people consume. We know that 79% of the total area of the earth is covered with water. Only 21% of the earth's surface is land, out of which is most of the areas are forest, desert, mountains, barren areas. Only less percentage of the land is cultivated. So the food supplied from the rest of the land is not enough to feed all the people. The problem of population explosion has made it more worse. The world population increases and the cultivable land area decreases. Therefore, the world food problem arises. Secondly, the environmental degradation like soil erosion, waterlogging, water pollution and salinity affected the agricultural lands. The third one is urbanization, which is another problem in developing countries. This concept deteriorates the agricultural lands. Since the food grains like rice, wheat, corn, and the vegetables like potato are the major food for the people all over the world, so the food problem rises. Finally, a key problem is the human activity, which degrade most of the Earth's net primary productivity, which supports all life. These are the main causes of food problems which arises worldwide. To maintain good health and resist disease, we need large amount of macronutrients such as carbohydrates, proteins and fats, and smaller amount of micronutrients such as vitamins like A, C and E, and minerals such as iron, calcium and iodine. The Food and Agriculture Organization of United Nations estimated that on an average, the minimum calorie intake of a global scale is 2500 calories per day. If a person gets that much amount of calories, then that person is considered to be as a nourished one. People who cannot buy enough food to meet their basic energy needs such as carbohydrates suffer from undernutrition. They receive less than 90% of this minimum dietary calories. So they suffer from mental retardation and infectious diseases such as measles and diarrhea. Besides the minimum calorie intake, we also need proteins, minerals, vitamins, iron and iodine. Deficiency or lack of nutrition often leads to malnutrition, resulting in several diseases. Let me explain the effects of malnutrition, that is deficiency of nutrients. Deficiency of protein have the effect on proper growth of a human body. Iron deficiency leads to anemia. Deficiency in iodine may result in goiter and cretinism. Vitamin A deficiency leads to blindness and poor eyesight. Thus, chronically undernourished and malnourished people are disease prone and are too weak to work or think clearly. Even though India is the third largest producer of crops, nearly 300 million Indians are still undernourished. The World Food Summit, which was held in the year 1996, has set the goal to reduce the number of undernourished and malnourished people to just half by the year 2015. But till now, this summit tries to eradicate hunger from the earth at the earliest possible date by delivering progress on the sustainable development goals through food systems approaches. If you feel that this video is useful, then kindly like it and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get further notifications. Thank you.